Assalamu alaikum. So hi guys, it's me Waseem. You are watching Something Techy. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you guys a step-by-step guide that how we can apply for YouTube monetization once you complete 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours of watch time, which is the basic and main requirement to apply for YouTube monetization. So yeah, finally guys, I have completed this milestone with your help obviously, and now I can apply for YouTube monetization. So I will also be recording this video for you guys, because obviously the process of applying for a monetization is gonna be same for every single person. So you can watch this video, so whenever you complete this goal, you can apply in the same way. Not just this, but in this video I will also be showing you guys my analytics and which videos gave me more views, and every single thing related to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so I'm going to open my Creator Studio and I'll show you guys that I have completed this milestone. So guys, as you can see in the achievement section, it's showing that I have completed 10,000 views on my YouTube channel and 5,000 hours of watch time. Basically 4 hours are required, but I have completed 5,000 of watch time and 1,000 subscriber. Now let's talk about monetization. So guys, in order to apply for monetization, simply click on monetization, and after that it will show you if you have completed, and after that simply click on apply now. So basically, in order to apply for monetization, you need to complete these steps. So step 1 is obviously you need to accept and review the terms and condition of YouTube partner program. Simply click I accept, and after that in step 2 simply guys we have to connect our Adsense. So obviously in order to start earning, this is the necessary step. So simply in step 2 click on start now, and it will ask you that if you have Adsense already or not. Simply you can click I don't know if you have no idea, or if you have simply you can click that I have. Depends what's your situation. Simply you can click in my situation I clicked that I don't have an Adsense account, but when guys I chosen, it was showing to me that I have Adsense account already. So you can select so I simply selected my account, which is the Something Techy. I would like to connect this Adsense with my YouTube to start earning. So simply guys, make sure that your channel URL it matches with this Adsense which you are going to connect. So you can, I was verifying here, simply you can click on accept application, and it will bring you on a new page, and it will ask you for customer information. Simply what you have to do is nothing, just simply guys you have to fill up your number, your first name, last name, your address, your city, and your postcode, and after that click on submit, and after that it will guys simply redirect to you back to YouTube, and it will say to you that we are verifying your information. So basically guys, what it happens, simply in first step we have accepted the terms and condition. In second step guys, we will connect our Adsense with our YouTube to start earning, and in order to activate the Adsense they take at least 1 or 2 days, and it will be activated, and third step will start automatically. So guys, when your third step is started, the YouTube simply gonna review your channel, make sure that it complies with their terms and conditions, and once they have completed their check, simply you will get this email that congratulations, your channel has been approved for monetization program. And I also got this email guys literally after 2 days from that day when I applied for YouTube monetization. I got in 2 days later on I got this email that congratulations, you have approved for YouTube partner program. And simply when I open my Creator Studio, you can see that it's showing to me that congratulations Waseem Techy, now you are a YouTube partner. If you can't find, simply click on the monetization tab, and it will come here, and it will say to you that monetize your video. Simply click on here, and after that it will show you that review your ad default. Simply I have for the moment, and I will also suggest to you guys that what are the default settings is good to be go in that way. Enable all ads which are skippable, non-skippable, payroll ads, and sponsored cards and everything. Don't untake anything. Just let it be how it was. And after that, simply once you are you have completed this check and you feel like this that it's perfect, simply you can click on next, and after that it will show you guys that which videos would you like to monetize. And in my situation I will simply click on all videos, as obviously I want to monetize all the videos. And simply you can click that I will want to do every single video, by your choice. I mean, if you want to do a single video step by step, but obviously I will click here that monetize my all content, because I don't want to go and do every single video one by one, because obviously this is gonna take a lot of time and I just don't want. So I will also suggest to you guys that simply click on once for all and enable the monetization for all the videos. So yeah, so finally guys, you can see that under monetization tab you can see that there is a green dollar sign, which is the sign of monetization, and now it's enabled for every single video. So yeah, make sure whenever you enable the monetization, enable for all once for, so you don't need to click again and again for every single video. So guys, in total I have 16 videos on my YouTube. One video in which I talked about TikTok fund creator program and how we can start earning from TikTok. That video literally got viral. That video given me around about 10,000 views, and from there I also got a lot of watch time, which was kind of cool, I can say that. And in the videos, guys, especially you can go there and you can enable or disable the monetization. You can change the settings. You can see that manually for every video you can select which ads would you like to run for this video. I mean, you want skippable ads, non-skippable ads. I mean, totally depends on you what you want. Simply click on video, after that go in the monetization, and after that simply select what you want, which ads would you like to run on your video. So this is guys how it works. Now let me show you guys my analytics of my channel. Simply I have clicked on my analytics and I'll show you guys that in last 28 days I have got 10,000 views and 6,000 hours of watch time. In last 7 days guys, I have 10,000 views. You can see that my most viewed videos, the videos which are giving me watch time. So guys, this video literally given me 10,000 views and I got round about 465 hours of watch time this video given me. In last 28 days I have 10,000 views and 6 hours of watch time in last 28 days guys. I have gained 4,000 hours of record, but alhamdulillah I got 6,000 hours, which was perfect for my channel. And it helped me a lot, I can say that, because obviously when I applied for monetization program, literally after 2 days I got approval. So this was the best thing for me. So guys, this is all my channel. You can see that my most viewed videos and the videos which kind of content I'm updating. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe with other your family members, other with friends. And yeah, this is all for today. So I'll see you in any next video. I mean, till then, bye bye guys, and take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.